Hi, I'm Stacy, and this is In Body Wellbeing, your online space to connect deep inside. Today's focus is the Ujjayi breath, known as the victorious breath, the ocean-sounding breath, and also the Darth Vader breath. And so we'll focus on the technique of that. Ujjayi breathing is an amazing way to calm your mind down. If you're getting frazzled in traffic, do a few Ujjayi breaths. If you're having trouble sleeping at night, it is amazing. Do a few Ujjayi breaths. And if you're just noticing your mind is really all over the place, it's a great way to kind of pull everything together. So there's amazing benefits. It's also a practice, a technique that is applied in yoga. We do a lot of Ujjayi breathing in the physical practice. So let me explain it to you. Ujjayi breath is created by contracting the back of the throat, and it narrows the passageway for breath. So it actually takes the breath longer to travel. And because it takes the breath longer to travel and it's making that ocean sound, the mind gets really interested. It's like, what's that? And it just drops in. So this is why it is so calming and soothing. And so I'd like to demo the breath first for you, and then we'll go from there. So that was one round of breath, one inhale and one exhale. And so the sound, again, we create it by contracting the back of the throat, but it's more easily found through the mouth. And so I'm going to put up my hand as if it's like a little compact mirror, and I invite you to do the same. And just imagine you want to fog up your compact mirror in your hand and make this sound through your mouth. You'll notice that it's warm, right? When the breath goes out, it's warm. But when you're making that sound, it kind of collects in the hand. And the Ujjayi sound produces heat in the body. It has a multitude of benefits. Let's do it again. Right, so we stretch it out. Now, what I'm going to do next time is with you is breathe through the mouth, but then close the mouth and send that sound through the nose. Yoga breathing primarily is nasal breathing unless it's a specific technique the teacher is advising. And so I want you to get this Ujjayi breath through the nose. So let's do it together. Again, midstream, we'll send it out through the nose. Start through your mouth. Exhale out. Inhale. To catch that, you just kind of fool the mind that's thinking about it. Just close the mouth and quickly send it out through the nose, and you'll get there. Now the inhale is similar. We're not going to add in a compact mirror, but we're going to do the same thing so that you're inhaling through the mouth. It's a little drying. We'll close the mouth and send it out through the nose. Same thing. Again, exhale out, inhale. Just through the nose. And let's let it go for now. You might be noticing you're a little dizzy. We're not used to getting so much breath in by lengthening the breath with Ujjayi sound. We're getting more oxygen into the system. So if you need to, pause, and just let everything kind of resettle and kind of come back into a comfortable place for you. But then when you're ready, you can marry the sound of Ujjayi with that complete breath. If you don't know complete yogic breath, I did a previous video illustrating how to do that technique. So one more time before we go. Breathe out all the way. Inhale, fill up. And just know that it takes time. This is a practice, right? So practice the technique. Eventually it'll become a lot easier to simply do in and out through the nose, and the sound will become more audible in time. So let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I'm excited to get more content out to you. Until next time.